I want to push the bed.
Push it where?
I just want to act like I'm pushing it. The handles are so cool, dude. It's not moving, but the handles are so cool. Like, I love
The brakes on. That's why it's not.
Sorry, I don't need to be pushing it anyway. That bed really is cool, though, I have to say.
It's so funny.
You like that picture?
Oh, yeah. How'd you get that? You took it from outside?
I took it from right here.
There was a fire in this building. I feel stupid saying that now.
Why?
Because I've had the video camera on.
So, there's fires in every building.